A common issue we have is tenants or clients losing remote controllers. Generally, on most cases, we can replace the remote control with a universal remote controller. The controller we like to use are the Ultra Plus thermo controls. And I'll just quickly give you a quick demo on how we can install these and use these on a system. They don't come with batteries, so you will need to add batteries yourself. Once we have batteries inside the controller, the manual will also have different controller codes, which you can check the code settings for your particular brand. On this occasion, we are going to code in a Kelvinator system. The best way for us to do this is flip function down here. Down the bottom right, we have the different codes. To get to the code that we want, we will press enter. I know that Kelvinator has a few different codes. These codes will be on the manual that you will have. On this occasion, I will try 0197 and 0203 as our first few codes. Generally, you'll know if the code will work if the aircon will beep. It will register that the controller is set. Then you can play around with the functions. Once you press select, you can press the plus or minus button to get to your desired number. As mentioned before, we're going to flick through to the first Kelvinator code, which is, once we go to the code and we have 0197 on our remote, we will then press enter. That code has been registered. On this occasion, the aircon system has not registered this code, so it isn't 0197. We'll then continue by pressing select plus until the next setting code, which was 203. On this occasion, we'll press enter. And as you can hear, that beep indicates that the system has connected and registered with the remote controller. Once we've got our selected code, which is 203, we will press select, and we can hear that the beep indicates that it's read the controller. We'll then press enter to save 203 on here. Next step is us to try and check a few functions and controls to make sure it does operate. On this occasion, we're going to change the mode up the top to heating. We can hear that it is beeping, it is registering, so we know it is operational. Change it to cooling. We can also turn down the temperature. And this is also changing on the aircon itself. So we now know that 203 is the code. We can turn our power off. We can write 203 inside the controller here so we don't forget the code. And now we can use our system as normal.